Previously on Airsoft Elimination.
With Black CJ being eliminated last time during the Trick Shots Challenge, that leaves just John on the red team.
My team is gone.
With a merge coming, will he be able to integrate well with the blue team, or will he be out next? Find out now on Airsoft Elimination. We're gonna do some things! Airsoft Elimination.
It's not unusual.
He's gonna launch it, he's gonna run to go get it, back. So you cut it off.
Welcome to the Mortar Challenge. I would say that teams red and blue are going to take turns firing at that, but there's not really a red team left.
It's a red man.
Yeah, I don't know what happened. It's like the blue man group and then red man over here just doing his woo. So what we're going to do is I'm going to have everyone here hand in their bandanas. And you guys are going to be the purple team.
I would have thought.
Squad.
Fucking called it.
Oh man.
Can I keep one of the ugly banana? Any of them?
Hand them in. You don't get voted out, you can keep your bandana. Turn them in.
Oh no! I got it.
Squad. All right. Now you're the purple squad.
Squad.
Yay, purple power. There you go. Now everyone's got their nice purple bandanas on. Welcome to the purple team merge. Squad. Now, one at a time, you will each individually, no teams here, individually take a rocket, load the rocket, charge the mortar, and attempt to fire at that bucket out there. Now, the object is not to land it in the bucket. The object is to be closest to the bucket. If you get into the bucket, you automatically go to the next round. So you're safe. Whoever's the two farthest from the bucket goes to the showdown. All right? Does anyone have any questions? You each get one shot. No questions? No. All right then, let's get started. Who's going first? Does anyone have a preference? Isaac volunteers to go first. Step right up.
How do I use this?
All right, pick a rocket out of the box. Any will do. All right. Drop it in. Take this. Push it down. You want it to get nice and seated all the way at the bottom.
We'll see.
Now, the harder you hit that forward, as in, bam, the farther it will go.
Okay.
Now, that's not to say you want to hit it as hard as you can because it might shoot over the bucket. So you only get one shot. There is no learning curve here. You don't get any practice tries. Whenever you're ready, you can also turn it. You can adjust it side to side if you want. You can spin the whole thing. Just don't shoot it backwards.
Yeah, that'd be bad.
Everyone's dead. He wins. Isaac killed everyone. Literally.
Eyes on the gun.
So you can turn it left or right if you want to. All right, whenever you're ready, the harder you hit that, up, forward, yeah. That was Isaac.
I thought it was going to be a lot more hardcore than that.
No, you didn't.
Earl, volunteer to go next.
I'm confident I can go farther. Confident.
Just throw it.
Remember, there's 3 other people
You know what to do?
after you. Yeah, throw it.
Okay, Earl's ready. It is loaded, charged. You can make your adjustments.
You pretty ethically come over. No, I just walked over where I wasn't in the way.
No, it's left and right. It's up and down.
Going for the bucket, right?
Yep, as close as you can get to that bucket.
The impossible bucket.
The impossible shot.
Ready?
Yep.
Oh!
Damn.
I was gonna say if you didn't hit it.
All right, what's next? Ryan. You see what everyone else did? Yeah. Take one, put it down. Now, the harder you hit that, the farther it will go.
Max BC.
I was usually aiming at how far you get it by like smacking it. I mean, I'm sure you shot him more like 20 times, but no, just the first time I shot him. Okay. Let's see how much of my shit over here.
Not quite hard enough. Not quite hard enough.
See how hard that is?
John, choose the rocket. They're all pretty much the same. And then take
I
the.
hit it. It's
for that one.
soft and it still hurt my hand. If I can touch it and quickly go.
It has to be institutional. The longer it takes for that to open, the more air is going to escape. It just pisses off. Because they're opening up.
You think kicking it will be faster?
All right, you can make your adjustments, John.
Yeah, of course.
You miss it, you're in trouble.
If you just nick it, then it's going to be not even going to leave the barrel.
Oh!
You get the award for the coolest shot.
Looks like it hit the tree also. Yeah. Chad, step right up.
I tried to
Select
put
your
no
rocket.
veins on it too, just so it wouldn't go like.
Nicole.
So what?
Yeah.
Good odds.
Come on, Nicole.
Just saying.
Third and key.
It's not.
I mean, it's the only variable.
Hard as you can hit it.
And it just drops up.
Holy That's probably the best shot.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Time to figure out who landed where.
Might be the rocket, yeah.
All right, I'll go out and do it.
You didn't hit it fast enough. You can hear the air.
Yeah. All right, you two are about to go into the kill box. We're gonna go head to head, shooting at each other. It's gonna be a 2 out of 3 challenge. So we're gonna do it in the flag alley in town. Each of you gets a USP 45, 1 mag, and 2 guys are gonna go in, 1's gonna come out. So let's go this way. This way? All right, Ryan, are you ready?
Ready?
Ready. Isaac, are you ready?
Yep.
Now make sure you guys call your hits. Be fair. I'm gonna keep an eye on you guys. Don't shoot me. First round, best 2 out of 3. Ready, set, go! Hit it. Hit it. Ryan's hit. Reset. Round 2. Ready, set, go! bounds.
Okay.
We're gonna do one more round. Winner of this one is staying in the game. Ryan, are you ready? Isaac, are you ready?
Ready.
Okay, make sure you stay in bounds. And go! Isaac got hit. Game! Isaac, please hand in your purple bandana.
Oh, what is it?
Here you go, man.
Thank you, sir. Ryan, go back out there. Isaac, you are dead! Woo!
All right, let's go.
Eliminated! On the next Airsoft Elimination. With the teams merged, it's now an individual race to the end. Who will be the victor? The next challenge will include a bunch of familiar faces.
You guys are about to fight a horde of undeads.
Back for revenge.
Gonna get revenge on Chad.
Who will survive the horde of the undead on
Airsoft Elimination.